Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm here with my boy and we're working on changing some tires here on just a little dirt bike. So we did the front tire already. Here's the bike. Front tire's done. I'm gonna do the back tire and just kind of give you guys an idea of what to look for, especially if you don't have, you can't take it to somebody, you got to figure it out yourself. So first things first, you're going to take the valve stem out. I've already done that. Do you want to hold that camera, bud? So here's the valve stem and it goes inside here. You got her? So first you take the valve stem out. Let's keep the camera down there. Okay, down here. And then you gotta, to get that valve stem out, you gotta use a tool that removes the valve stem. And you put it inside and you unscrew it and the valve stem comes out. There's also these nuts that will be on here. I've already taken them off. You gotta take those nuts off. And the next thing will be to take the tire. Once the air's out, you can push. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but got the camera on the tire there, bud. Okay, so you're gonna push it till it's squished. Okay. Once that's done, you're gonna get a couple of screwdrivers. Here's one. There's a couple more. And you're going to do this so that hopefully you don't puncture the tube. It's not 100%, but if you're doing it yourself, then worst case scenario is you pinch the tube and you got to go buy another tube, but that's not the end of the world. I was going to take this to get somebody to do it at the shop, a tire shop, and they were going to charge me 75 bucks per tire. So this is $150 that you potentially could save, and especially if you're a kid, you're not might not have the cash flow, right? So what I'm doing here is I'm squishing the tire just like this, and I'm trying not to puncture that tube. So it's sometimes you just gotta squeeze it. Keep squeezing. And once you get it over, I see this is gonna be a pain. Just trying to get that lip over, basically. Okay, so if it feels real tight, you gotta squish that tire to make it push into the middle a bit. Okay, so got it started. Remember, the worst thing you could do is just puncture the tube, so which means it's a $10, $15 tube. If you're having troubles getting it to go, try starting farther back or farther, like towards the other screwdrivers. All right. Ooh. Come on. It is a pain. It's in the car. Alright. So, now that we got... Oh, man. We got... Oh, man. This one is being quite the pain.
Cooler today.
Okay, so we're gonna work on this, guys, and I'll show you the next step. There's no point in watching me do the same thing over and over. Stay tuned.